let's compare the Anker car charger, which you can see here, against the AINOPE car charger. So both of these are chargers you can use to charge your phone or other device in the car. Both of them are going to plug into the accessory socket in your car, so same connector. And both are very compact. The AINOPE is a little bit smaller, so if you look at them side by side, you can see that it is a little bit more compact. It's going to sit almost totally flush with the accessory socket in your car. And the biggest difference between these is on the AINOPE here, we get two large USB ports. Versus on the Anker, we're going to get one large USB port and then one of these smaller USB-C size ports. That's the biggest difference in terms of the connectors, but also with the Anker charger here, it is a faster charger. It's more powerful. So you're going to get more current, and it's going to charge up the phone or whatever device you're using faster. That said, both of these are going to do a fine job of keeping your phone topped up while you're driving, charging up while you're driving, and both of them are going to plug into the same socket in the car. It's just a matter of, what size do you want, what kind of ports do you want to have on there. You're going to have to supply a cable for your phone or other device in any case, and then also how fast do you need your phone to charge up.